Cryptocurrency is a scam. Cryptocurrency is a scam. Man, this is what a lot of people say. This is what a lot of people believes, right? Um, and yes, of course, uh, you lose money, you gain money, right? So in this video, I'm gonna kind of explain to you how I lost money, but how I gain even more money by benefiting from cryptocurrency, right? So stay tuned to the end because this is a good video to listen to where it could help you allocate your funds and triple your money, double your money, and don't just hold it to lose it, right? So I'm gonna sit down real quick because I'm up here and it's very hot. So guys, recently, I've been getting a lot of messages, and people were saying like, yeah, I told you crypto, you see the price of Bitcoin, you see the price of XRP, you see this price. And I'm like, yeah, I see it, yeah, I see it. But most of these people, they don't know how to properly move around the market. So it is very important that you know how to move around the market, because if you do not, yes, you will look at cryptocurrency as a scam. So what I did, I'm gonna explain to you guys what I did. What I did. One second. Look, the cat was right here scratching. Come on. Yes. So sorry about that. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, it did it. Look, it did it. It did it. It did it. Look, y'all. The cat got to go down. But yeah, it's trying to distract me. The cat's trying to distract me. Don't do it, cat. Get down. Kitty, get down. Come on. I don't want you to fall. But so what I did, so cryptocurrency do not become a scam for me. I found a brokerage where you can actually deposit cryptocurrency and you can take out cryptocurrency. And once you take it out, you can put it to your bank account and use it that way. And you can trade with it. You can buy, you can sell, you can buy whatever type of indice, like the NASDAQ, like gold, like Forex pairs. And that really helped me triple my money, because for me, I am a day trader, I am a scalper, I am a swing trader. So that benefited me in the long run when the market was down, when Bitcoin was down, when XRP was going down, when these cryptocurrencies was in a bear market, right? I took advantage of putting it to my brokerage. I put it to my brokerage and I started trading it, right? So that's the benefit of cryptocurrency, where you do not have to lose your money. You can literally double your money, triple your money, week by week, day by day. So the message just that I was getting is like, okay, these people don't know how to move around the market, right? And of course, yes, I can see how a lot of people would say cryptocurrency is a scam because they're probably holding it for long term thinking it's going to explode. Yes, eventually it will. You got to think about the stock market. When a stock first came out, right? Did it explode? No, it took time to gain. It took time to get to certain prices. So it's the same thing as Bitcoin. It's the same thing as XRP. It's the same thing as XLM, right? Because it and I say this all the time. Everything takes time, right? And if you're not willing to fight through the the market when it's down, you might as well not even get into it, because that's going to put you in a mental, emotional, spiritual, physical state where it's not going to be good for your health, right? So it is very, very important to know how to move around the market. And really, I'm not even talking about the market when you're thinking about it, because this goes into moving abroad too. So if things get tough abroad, if things get tough, just say here in Africa, we've been here in Africa for 5 years, going on 6 years. And when things get tough, do you think that we give up? No, no, not at all. We adjust and we keep going. We figure out how we can do certain things to continue this journey that the Most High has us on, right? So that's the same thing with the market, right? I'm not just going to be like, hey, oh man, this thing is just going down, I give up. No, this is something that they take from us, they hide from us, and the people that is really wealthy, the people that really understands and knows about investing, they really take it serious. So no matter if the market's down, no matter if the market's good or up, they're not going to give up. It's not like, oh, I give up now, I'm not even looking at it. No, you have to know what you're doing with any and everything that you do. And that is a mindset thing. So that's just like if someone goes to college for 1 year, 2 years, right? Are you going to give up? No, you shouldn't, because you're just going to be in debt, right? You should try to finish what you started. So with this investing and trading, that's just not my speed. I'm gonna keep going till the wheels fall off, and when the wheels fall off, good thing I know how to change some tires to spare tires, right? You get what I'm saying? So it is very important to know how to move around these markets, and that really goes with any and everything in life, to be honest. So this is why I am look, around this time every year, it is very, very important to know this skill set. So last year I did something similar too. I was helping people trade. I was helping people learn how to, read the market, learn how to, invest themselves, and learn how to do technical analysis. Because when you think about it, if your investments is down, if you know how to trade your capital, you can still be good. This is it, like it's a it's multiple plays to be done. So it's not just one thing that you can do. Of course, if you want to do it that way, of course you can invest and hold it and let the market do what it do, right? But I'm talking to the people that really wants to get their funds together, really learn this skill set, and double their money in a week, in a day, to be honest. Because what I do with this market now, I trade these futures. So I trade the Nasdaq 100, which is the top 100 tech companies that is moving this market, right? I trade gold, and as we see, gold it went to an all-time high and is kind of staying at a certain level, but you still can take advantage of trading it, right? Trading, I believe it is a very, very, very good skill set to have when you are thinking about moving abroad. E- e- Even if you're not thinking about moving abroad, you get what I'm saying? This is something that is not going to go anywhere. Like, of course, you can use AI with it and stuff like that. That's a whole nother video right there. But AI is not going to take this away from you, because you can do it right here on your phone. You can do it right there on your computer and be good. So this is why I am hosting. I am doing private classes, right? So now I'm going to do two separate ones, because the last couple of days, someone did mention something to me where there's a beginner stage and there's a intermediate stage, right? So the intermediate stage, I want people that already know, what a candlestick is, what an uptrend is, what a downtrend is, what consolidation is. You get what I'm saying? What support and resistance is, and we can get on the chart, we can mark the chart up, and it's not like you don't have to know the perfect uh terminology, right? I just want people to be right there with me and say, okay, it is time to buy. Let's buy. Okay, let's move our stop loss up so we won't lose money, right? Let's get out the trade. Boom, we made our profit. Or let's go, guys. Look, I think this market's it's going to be a bear market. It's time to sell. Let's sell. Boom, the market dumps. Like today, it's probably going to dump. It's probably going to dump, to be honest. Get to hey, hello. So it's probably going to dump, right? And um yeah, like it can be very simple, like really. And I'm really trying to help people, because if you learn this skill set yourself in the next couple months, I would say give it 2 months, 3 months. And guess what? What's 2 months, 3 months? Some people gonna come up with a little bit of money, right? A little bit of money for the taxes and stuff like that, right? So I'm not doing this for no reason. I'm doing it for a specific reason, so I can help you, so I can help our people really learn this skill set. Because once you start to learn this skill set, you're not going to stop. You're going to really try to figure it out. And once you figure it out, you're going to be like, okay, man, this is way more simple than what it is. And this is why I'm doing live trading. This is why I'm doing it, because I'm right there. I can be your coach. I can be the mentor. And even if it's somebody that knows more than me, you get what I'm saying? We can do it together. Boom. We right there in the Zoom meeting. We right there doing it together. So we win together. So I believe this is the perfect opportunity. This is the perfect workshop. This is the perfect uh group thing to do. You come in, you make money. All you need to do is deposit $20, $15. So just the other day, I helped someone uh, 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 join and sign up for the brokerage that I use, and it was very simple. You can do demo cash. That means like it's paper cash, like internet cash. So it's not like your real cash. So even if you want to just join and just trade your demo account, and it's a mental thing. So once you start to realize, oh wow, profit is going up, or I buy and it's going up and I made some money, you're gonna be like, oh snap, like wow, this is good. Like I can really do this. I can really see myself doing this, right? So um I'm gonna have a intermediate level, like I said, with people. It's gonna be a group of 10, and it's gonna be month to month, right? It's gonna be the same price month to month. Um, so check that out in the description, and then I'm gonna have a beginner class where we're gonna be on a call for at least 2 hours, so you can get it. And if you want to, just say if you start at a beginner and you get it on the first call, right? And then, oh, excuse me, you get it and you want to join the intermediate class to start trading live with me every day at 6 p.m. Mauritius time, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, right? You can do that. And really, I would give you a discount if you become a beginner and then you want to come to the intermediate class. Because for me, I just want people to win, to really learn the skill set, so they can, whatever money you invest in yourself to sign up, you're going to make it back in a week. I promise you that. Like it's really, I'm very confident in what happens in this market, right? And how I do it, my strategy with it. So you can start with $15, and you can grow it to $115 in that week. And I'm pretty sure that, like, not now, like when I say that, it's like, wow, no, because the more money you make, your lot size will go up, and then you just make a little bit more money. So just say every day. So just I'm gonna break it down for you. So just imagine you start with $15. The first day you just want to make $15, right? And then the second day, that's $30, right? And then you just want to make $30, so that's $60, right? The third day, you just want to make another $60, so that's $120, right? And then the fourth day, you just want to make $240, right? You get what I'm saying? And then the fifth day, which is the end of the week, that's $560. So pretty much every day, you just want to double your money. Just double your money. Make it simple. And I'm very confident that you can do that. But you just got to be consistent with it. You have to. So, y'all, check the links in the description, because this is something that I really believe that people will benefit from in the long run, in the short term and the long term. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little talk, my roof talk with me and Kitty, our cat. Um, and yeah, like it's really time. It's really time to not give up. It's really time to, you know, really take some things serious, because things are just going to get worse and worse. And I believe I saw a comment. Someone commented on a video I did saying, "Oh, do you think do you believe trading is going to be uh, taken away, or obsolete in a couple years?" In my opinion, no, I really don't, because you can make your money, and it's not going to go nowhere. So you got to think about the stock market. The stock market lose billions and trillions of dollars in a week, but it's still running. The crypto market, it loses billions and trillions of dollars in a week, right? But it's still going. So you better just take advantage of what's happening for real. You really gotta take advantage of what's going on right now. Cause I promise you, if you do, you will understand, like, okay, now I can start. Now things are starting to make sense. Now I can see the vision. Now I can see how this can help me come over here abroad. You get what I'm saying? Because you know us. This is Journey with Us, and we want to see everybody prosper. We want to see everybody really live this life that we're living. Like, this is like abundance. This is beautiful here in Mauritius, Africa. So, all praises to the Most High, y'all. I hope you enjoy this talk that I had. Make sure you like the video. Leave your comments below and let me know where you're tuning in from. Check the links in the description, because it's getting hot in the kitchen. So yes, I mean, or it's getting hot outside. Put it like that. Whew. But all praises, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Shalom, shalom, family. Peace.